And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the field blur in Adobe Photoshop. It's a quick effect. Well, we can adjust it manually pretty well with the field blur. Go to Origin here, I press Ctrl J to copy it, and we will work on the copy. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. Make sure Preview is checked, and you can see the effect in real time. Over here you can change the value, but let us drag one of these focal points for the blur to the eye, and you can see the value is decreased, but we can also do it manually. Just left click again to create another focal point, and then drag this curve slider until the blur is 0. And now we can add a lot of focal points to it with random values, and thus we create a completely random blur in this photo. When I have a portrait, I like to keep the blur low when I'm on the face, so the eyes as the main focal point of the portrait has the lowest value for the blur, and the more I get away from the face, I increase the blur. When you press the key H, you can see the image with the effect applied, and these circles will vanish. You can also hold H and then activate or deactivate the preview to compare it with the original. And it's a good result. When you found something that you like, just press OK. It will take some time to process. And here is the comparison, the original and our blurred result. You'll find the image via the description link below, and you can recreate this effect yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.